You all were looking forward to attend this. For me and my husband, this is for the first time that we have attended anything of this sort, where I have read about meditation and all, and I have heard your videos and audios also many times. I don't know how much I have gained from this intellectually, philosophically or spiritually, but on personal level there have been many closures. There have been many releases and many messages that are for me to take forward and apply in my daily life. And I think this is a beginning. The way I have read about Anant Path and all, that is the start of a journey. There is a lot to learn, there is a lot to experience. I am a teacher by profession and we believe in experiential teaching and all. For young children, we create experiences for them. So those experiences here has been immense. I have shared with Ananshri also the experiences I have had. I did not come with very high expectations that what will we gain. The only expectation was how to remain happy and peaceful. So for me it was to learn techniques of staying happy, and I believe there are not defined techniques for this. This becomes a way of your life. This is what my takeaway is from this particular.
Exactly. There is no such technique for the happiness. It's your understanding, deep understanding, that creates the way of happiness.
So, I mean, I am expecting to learn more, to gain more in the coming future, and we will definitely try to attend more frequently such sessions organized here. Thank you.